So good afternoon, everybody, and it's a pleasure to introduce this afternoon's session on Agentic AI for Science. My name is Jess Montgomery. I'm Director of Accelerate Science, which is a Schmidt Sciences-funded initiative based in the Computer Lab that works to accelerate the adoption of AI across all areas of research in the university. A core part of that vision is about making machine learning engineering expertise and AI tools accessible to researchers from across disciplines. And we're bringing some questions about how we do that to this afternoon's session. So we're focusing on AI agents for science, and as you'll all know, we're gathering at a particularly interesting moment in the field of agentic AI, where we're seeing these tools move from research prototypes to interventions with real-world and scientific impact. And at that moment, we thought it was a particularly opportune time to gather and talk about how do we make these tools work for science? How do we develop them in ways that empower researchers to pursue their own scientific agendas? And how do we build them in ways that reflect science's values of openness and reproducibility? So a few logistics notes about this afternoon. So we are joined by Maya from the Scriberia team, who's sat at the back here. She's going to be creating a visual summary of this afternoon's meeting that we'll show later on. We're going to be kicking off with 3 short talks from members of the Accelerate Science community, each exploring different aspects of this question about how we design agentic AI for science. I believe we do have a few online participants. So just as a reminder, the entire meeting is being recorded and live streamed, so if you do not want to be recorded, please let the organisers know. And if you are online and would like to ask a question of any of our speakers, please use the raise hand function. I think if there are sufficient participants online, we'll have some online breakout groups. Bianca's nodding, but we'll deal with that once we get to the workshop session of today.